Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
Ladies, Out the Box Life presents Boss Gal Workshop, which takes place this Thursday at Quaker Street Coffee and Bubble Tea in London. This is the first of 10 workshops and is tailored all about you. They will be marking International Women's Month by hosting this evening for you to come and be equipped in the area of business and career. With some incredible hosts sharing their wealth and skills and industry knowledge, you can expect to leave ready to take things to the next level. MyChurch.Events for full details. Have you ever wondered what it takes to make $1 million? Do you sense you have the capacity to make $1 million but not sure how? If so, then why not participate in the Christian Millionaire Book Club event, which takes place this Thursday at the Torrington Room, which is in Connaught Hall in King's Cross. This will be a session discussion on how to become a millionaire using one of the most popular financial books, The Wealthy Barber, Everyone's Common Sense Guide to Become Financially Independent. MyChurch.Events for full details. Lady to Lady conference takes place this Saturday between 11 and 6 p.m. at the Excel Centre in London. This will be an extraordinary conference where the presence of God will be experienced tangibly. The conference is for every pastor, ministers of the gospel, church group leaders, women in leadership, women in women's ministry. Actually, you know what? It's open to women who want to bask in the presence of God with an expectation of seeing miracles take place and to listen to the great testimonies. This is a free event, so check out MyChurch.Events for full details. This Saturday, the event called Mad in a Rue Life takes place at the Vibes Bar in Harlesden from 8 p.m. to late. Come to the party with DJs on the night playing the best in urban gospel, R&B, old school grooves, Afrobeats and reggae. Soul Cure will be on the decks with a full crew: DJ Proclaimer, DJ Nadlocks, DJ Mello and special guest DJ Heights. Make a Difference will be donating £1 of your £5 entrance fee to Street Feed Charity, which is a charity supporting the homeless people of London. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurch Events to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events signing out.